Ever wish your phone could speak what it sees? Maybe you are reading something small or helping someone with low vision. What if your phone could describe it out loud? Well, that's exactly what Bixby Vision can do. With a simple setting, your phone can read the result from what it detects, whether it text, object, or even colors. Let's see how to turn it on. To do so, open Camera app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Tap More, then tap the Bixby Vision icon. Tap the three dots at the top right, then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Under Accessibility section, turn on Voice Feedback. Once it's enabled, your phone will read aloud the result from features like Scene Describer, Object Identifier, Text Reader, and Color Detector. If you are outdoor trying to identify an object or reading small text on packaging, this feature helps you hear the information without needing to squint or focus too hard on the screen. It's also super handy for those who prefer audio feedback for quick accessibility. So whether you are using your camera to recognize objects, colors, or text, enabling voice feedback makes Bixby Vision even more helpful. Your Galaxy S25 Ultra literally tells you what it sees. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.